Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your headphones House of Marley with a cable. And all you need to have for this is just mini jack to mini jack 3.5 cable. Of course, your phone or another device should have this port also. Connect mini jack to your port on your phone or another device, and then at the left side, at the left ear cup, at the bottom of the left ear cup, we have also this port, so connect the second cable right at this port. Now, you don't need to turn on your headphones, you can just use it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!